Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, June 4th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, today was a really good day, and it wasn't because we made a lot of money. We actually closed, our closed out trades today were like about $800, and we're carrying about $200 in open trade equity. So, you know, that isn't exactly making a pile of money, but what I'm really happy about is we really body slammed the Dow Jones Industrial Average today. It was down 170 points, and we got it down below 18,000, and despite that kind of plunge, we did not lose money today, and that's always, you know, a good feeling, because my opinion is where the overall market is, as we measure by the Dow right now, we are getting set up for possibly, you know, a really good day or two, you know, of high profits in our trading. And you can see here what happened today. The Dow opened down. It tried to rally a little, and then it really plunged, and it got down. It basically bounced off our middle red line. I think there is some support down there, and we could get, you know, we could make some money on the coming bounce, which would probably take us all the way back up to our first red line or third red line. I can't remember what I called it, but anyway, basically, you know, this is a ceiling up here. We got down here and actually just penetrated that middle red line a little, and it found support down here. I feel it definitely could bounce. I'm going to call the Dow up tomorrow. You know, it could drift and go sideways here, but I got the feeling we're going to get a bounce here. And you know, I think it's significant that when the Dow sells off 170 points and we're showing a little bit of profit, albeit pretty small profits, that's telling us we're getting into the a situation down here where it's time to get serious about buying again. And I feel that's kind of where we are right now. I'm very excited about this, very pleased. You know, I think this thing is broken down and it's ready for a decent rally for a change. Anyway, as I say, we were not hurt today. We had a couple trades that were halfway decent. I'll just show you those here. The first one, this is in Westmoreland Coal, WLB. You know, this has been a pretty solid market for us. We had bought this yesterday, or let's see, no, we had 2 days ago we bought this. We made a few $100 here on the exit yesterday, and then we got the re-entry. And you know, I always get worried about re-entries, but it came up here really nicely, and we got out here with about $1,000 in Westmoreland Coal. And then our best trade of all today was again in Mankind Corporation. We had bought this yesterday right out of the gate, and then it rallies pretty nicely on the open, so we get out pretty good here, about with nearly $3,000 in profits. It keeps going and gets us back in, and it did back off a little toward the end, so we are holding a small loss in our open position in Mankind, but as I say, we made nearly $3,000 in this exit here. So Mankind was our best trade of the day, and did push us just into the black on our closed out trades, and this re-entry didn't pull us back enough to make us negative for our open trade equity. So all in all, I see today is a pretty good day. I'm really interested in what's going to happen tomorrow. So this is Trader Bob signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.